Hello viewers, it's me Kulsum Ahmed. Today we are going to learn about opportunity cost. Before coming to the topic, let's just make clear what is economic problem. Now what is economic problem? That is unlimited wants and limited resources. Yes, our wants are always unlimited. We want to buy a new laptop, we want to buy a new car, we want to buy a house, and we want to work in some firm, or we want to work in some organization, or we want to work in some industry. So we can't be available for all of these things at the same point. What we need to do is we need to make choices. So we are facing the problem of scarcity. We are just confused what to do. So we are facing unlimited wants and limited resource problem. So it causes scarcity. Now we are going to handle the problem of scarcity. Now let's just understand what is scarcity. Scarcity is when available resources are less but our wants are unlimited. For example, if we want to work in some fields, what we need to understand, we need to just make choices. For example, which crop to grow, or which type of seed I must be using, or what fertilizers I should be using, or what sort of pesticides I should be using. So we are facing all these problems. We are making choices while doing all this thing. So we are for being an industrialist, we are facing the problem of raw material shortage. We are facing the problem of infrastructure shortage. So shortage is all over. Now what we are going to do? We are going to make choice. So the choice, to make the choice, we need to have one problem, that is opportunity cost. Opportunity cost mean the thing that we will have to forgo to have another thing. And the higher the opportunity cost of doing something, the less likely it will be done. Yes, if our opportunity cost is so huge, so we can't take the decision. We are just confused. We are just thinking upon it, and we are just confused. For example, if you are having limited amount and there are two choices. The one thing is that you want to go with your friend for leisure activity. The another thing is that with the help of that money you can buy a laptop, and at that time your semester is going to on the peak, and your first choice should be that you should buy a laptop because it will be helping you in study. And at that point, if you make a choice of going with your friend, it means that you're and you have left buying that laptop, and later on you may face the problem in your study. So what is the opportunity cost is so huge. What you should do is you should not go with your friends to enjoy, because you are going to enjoy with your friends at the cost of your study. So we are facing the problem what to do. Either we should study or we should play. So all this is happening now. What we are having the last scene, that is we are facing the problem of unlimited wants and we are having limited resources. All these two things are resulting scarcity. And what is scarcity? That is means shortage. It means the resources are not that so big that you can do everything whatever you want to. So being a consumer, we are making choices. Our income is limited and we want to do lot many things with that limited amount. On being a producer, we are also facing the problem of scarcity. We are also making choices. Now the first choice we might be making what to produce. For example, if you have 100 acres of land, now you should think upon which crop I should be producing, how to produce, like what sort of strategy or production method you should be using. Either you are going to deploy more labor, or you want to go for a capital intensive. We are having two choices. Either go for labor intensive technology or go for capital intensive technology. So if you are deploying more and more labor, it means the machinery will be less used, and if you are using more and more machinery, it means there is no need of hiring so many labor for your work. Now for whom to produce? If you are going to produce certain things, you need to keep in mind. For example, if you are a cotton grower and you are growing cotton for the domestic user, or you are growing cotton for international users, you want to export your cotton. So accordingly you are going to deploy all the things, all the factors of production, land, labor, capital, and enterprise to either make a product that should be of high quality or that should be moderate quality. You just need to make choices. So we are facing the problem, and the how we are going to manage all that thing, it will be opportunity cost. So opportunity cost is faced by every one of us. If a consumer faces is a problem of opportunity cost, he will have to make the best choices, and he should think that my opportunity cost or the thing that I have forgone should not be that much important as compared to the choice that you have made. And being a producer, you are going to trade off, means you are going to leave other things to do one thing, and you need to just make sure that the thing that you have left is of not that much high value as you have made the choice. So choice should always be better than the thing that we forgo. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.